In this video, I'm showing you 7 Android launchers that completely reinvent your home screen. Not just by changing icons or colors, but by rethinking how you interact with your phone every single day. Each one has its own unique twist, whether it's productivity dashboards, motion-reactive 3D wallpapers, or full desktop layouts that turn your phone into something entirely new. Let's jump in. At number 7, Vista Launcher. This one is for people who love a clean, information-first design. Instead of clutter, Vista places your clock, calendar, and key widgets in one elegant vertical dashboard. You get a sleek timeline layout where everything important, weather, events, and reminders, is visible at a glance. If you want your phone to feel more like a personal assistant than a wall of icons, Vista is a smart, refreshing choice. Number 6. Computer Launcher Pro. If you've ever wished your Android could feel like a mini PC, this one nails it. You get a desktop-style interface, a taskbar, and even a start menu, just like Windows. The Pro version unlocks advanced customization, smoother transitions, and quick access to files. Perfect for multitaskers or anyone who wants a productivity-driven experience on their phone. It feels like carrying a small computer right in your pocket. At number 4, Wide Launcher. Wide Launcher completely breaks the traditional layout rule. Instead of a single homepage, you get a screen that's 3 times wider, giving you a huge creative canvas to build your ideal setup. You can place widgets, stickers, applets, and mini tools anywhere. It's almost like designing your own desktop environment. If you love the idea of a space that's truly yours, Wide Launcher transforms your phone into a visual playground with room for everything you need. At number 3, Microsoft Launcher. For anyone tied into the Windows ecosystem, this is the most seamless bridge between your phone and PC. You can sync calendars, to-do lists, and even documents between devices, keeping your workflow smooth and connected. Its design is clean, fast, and reliable, perfect for professionals who want both productivity and simplicity. And the best part, it's completely free, with no unnecessary clutter or ads. At number 2, Reezy Launcher. Reezy brings something we haven't seen in years. A fresh take on handwriting search. Just scribble the first letter of any app or contact directly on your home screen and it pops up instantly. It learns from your habits, making smart predictions over time, and it feels surprisingly futuristic yet efficient. If you love speed, minimalism, and gestures, Reezy Launcher will make you feel like you've unlocked a secret feature your phone should have had all along. And finally, at number 1, Parallax 3D Wallpaper Launcher. This one isn't just a launcher, it's a visual experience. It uses depth and motion sensors to create subtle 3D parallax effects that shift as you tilt or move your phone. Your wallpaper literally feels alive, giving your screen that cinematic, premium finish. It's perfect for anyone who wants to blend technology with art and transform a flat home screen into something dynamic and modern. So, which one of these would you install first? Drop your favorite launcher's name in the comments. I'll test the most requested ones in an upcoming deep dive. And if you found something new today, hit the like button, subscribe for more app discoveries, and I'll see you in the next one.